Welcome back to Business 101. Today we're going to look at the link between profit margin, asset turnover ratio, and return on investment. To do this, we need the equations for each of these key figures. We'll start out with return on investment. Here we know the equation is net profit divided by total investment multiplied by 100. Profit margins, here the equation is net profit divided by revenue multiplied by 100. And asset turnover ratio is equal to revenue divided by assets. So here we've got the three equations, and now we'll look at the link between these three equations. Return on investment is actually equal to profit margin multiplied by asset turnover ratio. And I'll show that mathematically. Now, return on investment, if it's equal to profit margin multiplied by asset turnover ratio, it should also be equal to net profit divided by revenue multiplied by 100, because this is the equation for profit margin. This should then be multiplied by revenue divided by assets. When we have two fractions we need to multiply, we have to multiply the denominators and the numerators. We'll do this below. So the net profit multiplied by 100 multiplied by revenue should be divided by revenue multiplied by assets. Now, when we've got revenue both in the denominator and the numerator, they can just be taken out. And now we suddenly have net profits divided by total investment multiplied by 100, and this is the equation for ROI. So now we've seen that there's a direct link between return on investment, profit margins, and asset turnover ratio. Now, we'll of course have to ask ourselves, why is this then important? Now, if we're able to increase our profit margins, we're able to increase return on investment. And if we're able to increase our asset turnover ratio, we're also able to increase our return on investment. So by looking at these two key figures, profit margin and asset turnover ratio, we will be able to find out how a company is able to increase its return on investment by handling these two key figures. We'll look at these two key figures and how to then make these key figures grow in another video. Thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you got to understand the link between profit margin, asset turnover ratio, and return on investment a little better. So if you like the video, please subscribe, please give it a like. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.